Hello, my name is Andrew Barber, and I'm a senior biomedical science major here at North Carolina Central University. The reason I decided to attend North Carolina Central University was a large part, my parents actually went here, they got married here, and I actually had a brother and a sister who actually attended this institution as well. So that was kind of a big part that helped influence my decision to attend North Carolina Central University. Also, I knew that I wanted to attend an HBCU and really just be surrounded by not only people that looked like me, but people who really wanted me to succeed and was always rooting for my success. So I'm very glad with my decision to attend North Carolina Central University. There are a lot of memorable moments that I've had on this campus. I'll try to narrow it down to just one, but the experience that I've had on this campus is way too many to count. The last week of homecoming that I had as a senior, knowing that this will be my last one as an undergrad student and that the rest of them will be as an alumni, that week of homecoming, I literally did everything. I was going to the gospel concert, I went to the hip hop concert, I went to the step show, and I'm grateful for just really having that experience and really just being able to celebrate the culmination of my undergrad career as sort of like a family reunion where I saw everybody just all at once, and it was really just a joy to see not only my friends, but see my culture and just have that experience. Well, my straight out of post-graduation plans is that I plan to go towards a post-baccalaureate program at the University of California at Davis. So I plan to pursue that to help me further my STEM degree. And so after that, I plan to move on to graduate school where I plan to get my PhD. My ultimate goal, my long-term goal, is to really one day be the principal investigator of my own laboratory. And I really just want to research topics that disproportionately affect minorities, specifically like myself. And I really just want to research topics to help improve quality of life and improve life for other minorities. And I also want to make sure along the way that I'm in my position, once I have my PhD, once I have my own lab, that I am opening doors for others along the way. Because I know if I didn't have those opportunities open for me, I wouldn't have been as successful as I am right now. I think if I went anywhere other than NCCU, I just wouldn't have the same life experience that I've had. Again, like I've met people who have become like brothers and sisters to me. And like, I don't know if I would have found that at any other institution. To my future Eagles, to my current Eagles, to my graduating Eagles, strive towards your goals, persevere, remain humble, don't let anyone dim your light, and be the world changer that you are meant to be, because you are bright, you are brilliant, and you are able to do amazing things in this world. I just want to say congratulations to the class of 2023. I'm so glad to be a part of this graduating class, and I'm happy to see all the amazing things each one of you do.